at the bloody airport once again. Is this fucking hoary? Hey! Did you bring us the contraband to get it over the border?
Oh, we got the contraband, alright. And our pets.
About to have a sample of this Chatham Islands Weka from the homie Becks. Quite a fatty little morsel. Reminds me of mutton bird actually. Keeping in mind, never tried one of these before. Just gonna hack it up, chuck it in the pot with some doughboys and some cabbage. Cabbage to not taint the flavour too much, and we'll get a bit more of an idea what it tastes like. Let's give it a go. Just whacked it in the quarters, been boiling for about 5 minutes. Can already see that nice yellow fat layer floating on top. Pro tips from Chatham Island native, the bro Hamish, reckons boil them for at least 3 hours. 3 hours he reckons to make their skin soft. We'll run it. That means more jerky time. Running about 2.5 hours on the slow boil. We're topping up the water as we go. Well salted obviously. Made some flat doughboys. Flat doughboys for the winter ways. We're about 4 doughboys per quarter bird. So slap those in there. Get the greens in there about the 3 hour mark. Oh, there it is in all its glory, whānau. First impressions. Holy motherfucker. It's more slippery than mum's on a Friday night of a couple of bottles of wine. Man, is that a good liquid diet getting in the way of him and his boil up? But she's cooked. We ran it for 4 hours. Been sitting for 2 hours. It's still hot. By the time to see what sort of magic comes out of this pot, eh?